Hey guys, so the number one thing that I see people doing that prevents them from being financially free and making a shit ton of money is they just don't get moving because they're like, I don't know what my course idea should be. Okay, look guys, I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm gonna prove to you how easy this is. So in the group, I just posted this. Now let me walk you through this. I said, let me help you find your course idea. Name 3 things you know now that you would have paid to learn sooner. So I'm gonna say that one more time. Name 3 things that you know right now that you would have paid to learn sooner, okay? And instantly, it's like the heavens open up and ideas start flowing. So check it out. Facebook ads, setting up a cleaning business, tiling, plastering, kitchen and bathroom fitting. So right off the bat, you could teach homeowners how to save money by doing their own remodeling and not have pesky COVID-filled contractors come in, right? You could show them how to set up a cleaning business and make money. E-commerce, sales, closing whales, being a better father. Are you kidding me? There's a company called, what's it called? It's called Wonder Dads. They sell a $97 a month membership to give you ideas to be an awesome father. I mean, integrative health, supporting my teenagers' mental health and interpreting blood results myself. Blood, you could call this Blood Advocate. It could be a course where instead of trusting your doctor, you look at your own blood work and you become an advocate for your own health. Freaking audio, music production, recording, mixing, and mastering. Tons of money there. Editing, color grading, tons of money there. Live streaming, tons of money there. Tons of money there. Now, Michelle makes a good point. Yes, just need help putting it all together, Dan. And Michelle, I'm going to give you, I'm going to tell you real quick how you can get that help. But let me just go through another couple here. Marketing automations, Facebook ads, firearms training. Are you kidding me? That's an online firearms course? Absolutely. How about this, Jacob? How about teaching parents how to keep their kids safe so how to own a gun and make sure your kids don't shoot you with it, right? I mean, boom, real estate investing. I mean, guys, there's so many. YouTube success. Here's the point. If you want to understand how to come up with your course idea, there's some more advanced frameworks, and I cover this and whatnot. But look, this is simple. What do you know now that you wish you knew when you were younger? So much so that you would pay to learn it sooner. Like, that's all you have to ask yourself. What do you know right fucking now that you would have paid to learn sooner? Boom, there's a potential course idea. So here's the deal, guys. If you want help doing this, if you want help from my team helping you become financially free and create a business, and you want us to help you develop your offer, make sure your offer is good, make sure your course is good, and coach you over this so that you can get set up and running in the next 30 days and thrive in the next 90 days, then I just want you to DM me the word beginner. DM me the word beginner. And I might not get back to you tonight. You might have to wait till tomorrow, but I will show you how we can help you. We have a program that we just put together called Sold Out Courses for Beginners. And it will allow you to create a course that sells out even if you are an absolute beginner. So DM me the word beginner and I will tell you more about that program if you are interested. Okay? So that's it, guys. And I'll leave a link where to DM me in the text. Okay? But you can DM me beginner and I'll tell you more about it. All right? Just wanted to shoot that quick live and help you guys out.